Okay, this was the first round, dead center, 308. Next shot is going to be with a 303 Brit, probably above the center. Alright, there's the second round, the 303 Brit, about an inch above the first round, which was a 308. Okay.
Now it may have been, it was close enough. Did you see it?
The 303 Brit penetrate, and we have a lead in the back plate. This hole right here is a 30-aught 680 grain bullet. Did not penetrate. Part of the 303 Brit did come through into the back plate.
That may have been because of...
The upper hole was from a 5.56, along with a side hole here, which was also a 5.6. We should have stayed a little bit more to the end of the plate, but that was okay. This upper hole again was a 5.6. It did shatter the ceramic, but did not penetrate the back at all, not even a dimple.
A little bit of a dimple here.
Even the one on the side,
there's a little bit of a raised area.
Barely have a little raised area on it.
But it fully stops.
Good shit. Another 308 round, close to the edge of the plate, but did not pass. Right here we have another 303 Brit. It made a hell of a crater. It has a huge bump on the back. Don't believe it penetrated. We're gonna check. Okay, here we go. In actuality, not one of those rounds actually penetrated. The one that you see where a fragment of the 303 did pass, it was because it was basically in the same hole. Otherwise, none of them passed. That was 308, 303, 30-06, and 5.56. Now we're going to destroy the rest of it.